Hello friends, today I will show you some important useful Windows shortcut commands. Commands are listed below. The first command is control, which is used to open the control panel window. So what we need to do here is just click on the start button, search for run, open run window and type here control and press enter. It will open the control panel. So the next command is for control printer, is used to open the device and printer property. So we need to enter on run control space printers. Here it is, device and printer window. Next command is for to open the AddRemove program. So type APPWIJ.cpl fwich.cpl command, press enter. Here it is, program and features, remove programs. The next command desk.cpl is used to open the display properties. Here it is. Another one, mmsys.cpl is used to open the sound and audio device properties. Type mmsys.cpl. Here it is, sound properties. Next one is dm.cpl is used to open the system properties. This dm.cpl command. Here it is, the system property. You can see. Next one is timedate.cpl. This command will open the date and time properties. And the next one is to open the power option property, that is powercfg.cpl. Type powercfg.cpl and press enter. Here it is, the power option. And the other one is davemg.mt.msc. This command is used to open device manager. Here it is, the device manager window. And the next command is for to open the computer management tool. It's compmgmt.msc. You can see the computer management tool. Another one, event viewer, is open to event viewer window. These are the shortcuts which are very helpful. Then another one is services.msc to open the service manager. Type services.msc. Here it is. And the next one is regedit. This command is used to open the Registry Editor. And the next one is for to open the disk management utility. This command is diskmgmt.msc. Okay, the last but not the least, inetcpl.cpl to open the internet properties. So these are the commands, are very useful. You can use it anytime and it will help you to reduce the time to open all the applications. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share my videos, and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.